Hey guys, welcome to CodeGrind. In this video, we are going to set up Unity Remote with your Android smartphone and Windows. So Unity Remote is known for being a little chunky and there are many tutorials out there that didn't work out for me. So this video includes installing a thing or two more, but it definitely gets the job done. So let's get started. Alright, first go to your favorite web browser and search for Android Studio. Click on the first link and download Android Studio. Accept the terms and condition and click on download Android Studio for Windows. Save the file. Alright, it's downloaded and I have opened the installer. Just click on next. Keep this as it is and click on next. You can change the destination or keep it at default and just click on next. Click on install. Let it install. Alright, it installed and click on next. Start Android Studio and click on finish. I'll close out of this. So this is where you should arrive. Now you want to click on configure and click on SDK manager. Okay, there are two steps that you want to do here before we move on. All of these might not be selected for you. This is what I had installed previously, that's why these all are selected for me. You want to install whichever one your phone has in which you have installed Unity Remote, or you can do like me and install everything from Jelly Bean to Pi or the latest one. Then click on SDK tools, and this is the important step. You wanna install Google USB drivers. Click on this one and click on apply. It should install it. It's very important for you to install this Google USB driver, or just to be safe you can install everything like me. See on the screen which all have been tick marked and just install same. If not, definitely install this one, it's very important. Next you want to copy the SDK location of your Android. This is the path, just copy it and we'll close out of this. We are done with Android Studio and now we'll open Unity Hub. If you have not installed Unity Hub, we talked about it in the previous video, just check that, link is in the description below. I'll open Unity Hub. Now you want to create an project here. If you don't have any project, just create one. If you have one, just open that one and anything is fine. If you don't have any project, just click on new, select whichever template you want, select the first one, type in a name, click on create. The Unity should create a project for you. I'll open the first one in my case. Alright, here you wanna go to edit and click on preferences. This window should pop up and now you wanna click on external tools. Scroll down and below you will be having an Android section. Now here you wanna change this one. In your case this will be tick mark, Android SDK tools installed with Unity. In your case it will be like this. Just click on it and uncheck that and provide the path we just copied from the Android Studio in here. Just paste it here. After you have done that, keep everything as it is and close out of this. Close Unity, and now we'll move on to the smartphone part. Alright, here I am on my smartphone. The first step is to install Unity Remote. Just go to Play Store, type in Unity Remote and install the first one that pops up. The next step is to enable the developer option and USB debugging. Just go to setting and search for build number. After you have searched for build number, it's usually in the software information part in your settings. Click on it several times and it might tell you to enter your lock pin. Okay, developer mode has been enabled, and now what I'll do is go to that. In here you wanna enable USB debugging. It's this option. Enable this one, and after this you wanna plug in USB to your smartphone and just connect it to your PC and turn on Unity remote. Alright, back to desktop, and I have plugged in USB to my smartphone and we'll go to Unity again. Alright, here I am again in Unity, and I have taken a cube and expanded it just to check out if it works. So now after everything is set up, we have done everything. Don't forget to switch your platform to Android, and if everything is done correctly, this should work. And now we'll run and test out if it works. So there you go, as you can see it has popped up in our smartphone. So if this didn't work out for you, just check in your edit project settings, and in editor you have under Unity remote device is set to any Android device, or if your device pops up just select that one, and just make sure it's not none, it's selected to any Android device, or if your device pops up just select that and it should work. Alright, so that's the easiest way to set up Unity remote with your Android smartphone and Windows. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.